What up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. As you can see, I'm a watch YouTuber. I've got parts all over the light box. So I'm actually about to list a bunch of these bands. These are all OEM bands from different watches I've opened over the months. And so I'm just preparing to put all of those up on eBay. Because as you know, if I replace an OEM band, I'm never going to wear it again. That's why I'm replacing it. And so I put it on eBay for people who want the OEM bands for their watches that they've either lost or they've broken or they've worn out or whatever. So those actually, the OEM bands sell quite quickly, I've noticed. So that's, it's good. I get some of my money back for the watches I purchased for the channel and for my collection. And then people get the OEM bands that they used to have. And they're basically brand new, worn maybe once for the video. Anyway, so that's what the clutter, I guess, if you will, is that you see on the sides. Anyway, today's video, we're going to look at the Nation Rise bootleg knockoff AP Swatch pocket watch. And we're going to look at the Boyol Pap with the fake seconds hand that is just printed on. My camera's not wanting to focus that close. So these I've had for a few weeks now. I guess 2 weeks now. And that video did very well actually for my small channel. But they keep time just fine. So that is the good news. Didn't know if they would or not, but they are keeping time just fine. They're both set to about the same time still, so no big deal there. Now, I've not really worn these because I don't carry pocket watches, as most of us don't because we live in the year 2026. So, in this package from my P.O. box, I have a solution for these two watches, to where I can maybe wear them in public. Don't know if I will though, just because, they're not even real Royal Pops. But yeah, let's take a look. I paid, I think, $25 total for this package. I know some sellers charge an arm and a leg for these. Well, you're about to see. And I don't know why they do. I think just because of the hype. But if you're paying like over $100 for what I'm about to pull out of this package, don't. That's stupid. All right, let's make sure there's nothing else in there. No, it's empty. Okay. Yeah, so I've got two straps here. Again, I paid $27 total. I don't think these would be very high quality, but I also don't think the ones that you can potentially buy for $100 are going to be that high quality either. But we'll find out. So it's definitely rubber. Yeah, it feels okay. Feels okay. Let's go ahead and this is the better one in my opinion because it doesn't have a fake seconds hand, but it does have real looking gears, but they don't move. I mean, this one right here. Fake seconds hand, right? And then stickers for the gears in the back. So at least this one has real fake gears, if that makes sense. Anyways, pop it out of the thing here. And pop it into the band. And pop it into the band. Am I doing this right? My fake is not fitting. That's a problem. Unless it just fits really tight. Okay. Let's try that again. Maybe it inserts the back. No, that wouldn't make any sense because the crown, unless I do this. Crown first and then, no. Those just pop in. That's just straight up not wanting to go in there. Did I break my cheap watch? No. Okay, let's try the Boyol Pap, since the other one didn't work at all. Look at that, the Boyol. Okay. The Boyol Pap went in no problem. The Nation Rise did not. Huh. All right, I'm gonna put on the Boyol Pap real quick. That's just a weird sentence to say. I liked the Nation Rise one more, but the Boyol Pap is the one that fits. The Nation Rise one doesn't even fit. I'll try it again, but as you saw, it wasn't going in. Like, the size is slightly off, I guess. I don't know, but there you go. I mean, that's, shout out to the Boyol Pap. It actually fits on the band. I'm kind of disappointed. I know it's a fake watch. You know, I get it, but I liked the Nation Rise more because it didn't have a fake seconds hand. But a lot of good it does if it doesn't even fit, right? Yeah, that Boyol Pap went right in. Come on, Nation Rise. You're a reputable brand. Come on. I know they're not. It's a joke. It's like it's slightly too big, I guess. Man, that sucks. That really sucks. It won't go in. I wanted to wear the Nation Rise on my wrist. It's slightly, I guess, hold on. Let me put the Nation Rise in the Boyol Paps. Yeah, look at that. It won't go in. Yeah, it's a different size. It fits in its own, no problem. But see, this is the problem with bootleg stuff. You know, they don't always abide by the dimensions, right? So it fits in its own, no problem. But it won't fit in the Boyol Pap holder at all. And it won't fit in the wrist adapter thing. Well, I guess I'm wearing the Boyol Pap on my wrist for when I do want to wear this watch for whatever reason. There you go. But yeah, you can find these all over the internet. Just don't pay a ton of money for these bands. People are opportunists, so they're charging up to $100, maybe even more, for a modification of a pocket watch. Just do your research, search around. I paid $27 total for both. So divide $27 by 2, and that's what I paid. I'm not doing the math. Okay, through sheer force, I got the Nation Rise to fit, but man, it's probably not coming out. I mean, I had to push it with both hands. I should have did it on camera. I was like, maybe I can get it off camera. And sure enough, within 10 seconds or so, both hands, both thumbs on this side of the watch, I was able to get it in there. I don't think it's ever going to come out now, but it is what it is. It's a very tight fit. But hey, got all the rest. That's all that matters. So I'll wear it until it dies. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come.